Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on the Wise app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wise application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials or your biometric. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you wish to change your profile picture within the app, then tap on the account icon at the top left corner and this will open up your account menu. Now, simply tap on the camera icon at the bottom right corner of your current profile image. You will now see the take a photo or choose from library option. Choose whichever one you prefer and you will be allowed to select your photo. Once you choose your photo, you can crop it to your desired size. And after you are done, tap on the use photo button at the top right corner. After tapping on this button, the image that you selected will be uploaded and applied as your new profile picture right away. You can change your profile picture as many times as you wish by repeating this process. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on the Wise app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.